There's another company that does restoration of the old statue in Singapore. But besides them and Si Tianyuan, right? Si Tianheng, I don't think there's anyone else that's doing it.
Yes, yeah. Okay, there are actually some they do it at home. They can do the thing, but I like when you collect old things, you don't want to, when you want to restore certain things, like collectors, they don't want to make it new.
Yes.
Certain thing I don't like, of course, for temple practice, people donate money, Jingsen, they want to add some more for offering,
Yeah.
So we can't say much, but I come across one temple, they want to send one whole lot of old things, pre-war. I believe they want to Mingguo statue for repair.
Right.
Send away. They want to send it to China to do the repair. And those are actually Cantonese-style things. And the things that start rotting. So quite concerned about this, and sometimes they may even want to throw away, carve new one, or they just burn the stuff away. So very difficult for us to convince them don't touch it, or no professional around to do the kind of restoration. Overseas they restore old masters painting, or that kind of restoration expensive. So there's no studies on this, how to do restoration, and nobody write about carving style, Hokkien, and Cantonese things. Lately, I actually I did one. You wait a minute. I show you two statues.
Topekong.
Topekong.
Yeah, Topekong.
How do you think it is Topekong?
It's been repainted. Is that right?
Yes. Painted by me. Okay.
No, I think he's old. I think he's very old. Just from the, his seat, the
face, the color.
And the one at the bottom, the seat below his seat, I can tell it's old.
Okay.
Just from that itself.
Okay, I show you another one.
Okay. The one in your right hand, the first one that you show me, that's a newer one. The one in your left is older.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Okay.
Am I right?
Okay, I show you. This one is ST. Yeah, it's written below.
STH, yeah.
Si
Tianyuan.
In Hokkien or Teochew, I'm not Si Tianyuan.
Yeah.
So this one is statue by them. This place is Tiong Bahru. Tiong Bahru is written there.
Yeah. Fude Zhengshen.
Carved using the kind of you can see the old star carving.
Yes.
This one is the camphor wood, or they call it incense wood. Early days when they do this, and this is the old Topekong. So this one I collected the flea market many years ago. So I kept this one because it's a local craft. Then I scan it, I make a 3D printing of this. This is a 3D printing.
No, really?
Just the gold, of course, I didn't use real gold. That's why I think, but the color, if I put this one out, people think that, okay, this one is, maybe very familiar to the Si Tianyuan people. So I managed to talk to the young guy quite some time back, because I started to use 3D printing.
Yes, he was telling me they did the 3D printing of the gods to capture them as on a catalog.
Why I use it? Because I want to convince this temple, you can do a copy of this. for carving. Don't send the original thing away.
Yeah, send a 3D.
If they tell you the thing lost, and
That's it.
They play bang with you, carve a new one. In China, you don't know, I cannot trust them. The printing out and give a picture of them, the 3D print and come.
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah.
All things they could put in the museum, 推神啦. New one, if they don't want plastic, never mind. They can use timber and carve again.
Yeah.
And they can make into clay also. Or they can enlarge it and make a bigger one. You can make 10 big statues with exactly the same facial expression.